In this video, we'll be seeing the process of adding a new user onto the SuperConstruct platform and to our project teams. Let's log in as a general contractor and select the company the GC is associated with to see the project cards. Let's click on the respective project card to choose a project onto which we wish to add users. On the Project Overview tab, let's go on to the Switch module that is available on the left side of the screen and click on Users module. Here we can see the list of users associated with the project and a few other important details, including the name of the user, the role, active or inactive status, and the date they were added onto the project. And you also have an option to edit or deactivate the users that were added by you. As we are logged in as a general contractor, we can only add a general contractor, member general contractor, developer, owner, or a subcontractor. Here I can edit and deactivate only those users. The rest of the users, like member owners or owners that have been added by the owner themselves, cannot be edited by the general contractor. Now let's add a new member to the project card. Click on the Add Member icon on the top right corner of the screen. We have two ways in which we can invite a new member. Either we can invite a new member by sending them an email, or we can add a new member from the existing company. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add an existing member from the company. Once you click on the Add from Company tab, it gives you the list of all the members that have been added to the company. You simply have to go ahead, select the person you wish to add, select the role that you would want to assign them. So I'm going to select a GC member, and all you have to do is click on Add Project. Now let's go ahead and click on the Users module once again, and we see that the member has been added to the Project Members tab successfully. Now let's go ahead and invite a new member. For that, let's go ahead and look for a new email. All we have to do is add in the email address of the user or the member that you're willing to invite and add the name. I'm going to say Demo Member GC for demo purposes, and I'm going to select the role as General Contractor Member. And then you add an invitation message that's totally optional. But I'm just going to add in, say, hi, welcome to the team, and click on Invite Member, and you will see that automatically the invite has been sent to the demo, Member GC, and the status says Invite and Invited on the date of invitation. So now let's go ahead and look into the inbox to see how the invitation reflects. This is how the email populates into the inbox of the user invited. All you have to do is click on Accept Invitation and enter the 6-digit code that was sent via email, 66663. So I'm just going to add that here, and it redirects you to a page where it asks you to set a password. I'm going to set the password, and I'm going to click the Set Password. Now it takes you to the onboarding page. In this page, you will have to create your profile, and then you can access the project that you were invited to. So all I'm going to do is click on the next button right here, and it takes me to the profile information page. So all the fields that are marked asterisks are mandatory, so I'm only going to fill those for demo purposes. Add in the address. Once you select the address, the rest of it gets auto-populated. Take a look at all of the information here, filled in or not. Click on Save, and then it takes you to the page wherein you would have to add in your company details, like the company information, company partnership, company type, registration numbers are mandatory fields. I'm going to add in a number here, including the tax ID. The website is totally optional because it's not marked mandatory. Industry, construction, the company size, your founder, contact information again, the number and the address. And click on Save. It takes you to the onboarding page wherein all you have to do is go through the terms and conditions and agree, and click on Submit. Click on the Agree to Terms and Condition checkbox and click on Complete Onboarding. That completes the user onboarding, and here you are. You can view your companies. All you have to do is click on the company from which you were invited, and you will see the project that you were invited into. What you have to do is click on the project, and you'd see that you get a pop-up notification saying, Welcome to the project. You've been invited by Stacy, who's the general contractor, and all you have to do is accept the invitation, and you can view the profile from here. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the General Contractor view under the Users tab to see if this specific user reflects as active or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in as a general contractor again. Okay, click on the project, and you would see that the member shows active. That's because we onboarded the invited user and added them to the project. That's how you invite a new member.